Okay, so this is, I don't know why it's sitting here. They left a little baby Kirkland water bottle in there, and I don't know, his wife bought me this. I mean, it's nice, but this is not a 7-pole connection for this. This is your standard, what is it, like a flat connector. So, I mean, nice sentiment, but it's not needed. So I'm going to go and switch out my bit here with a flat bit, because there's just, well, that one I have to take out. It's right there. But the other one looks like it's right here and right here. That one down there isn't structural from what it looks like. So I'm going to try to take that out and see if I can get that out real easy with my my drill. Ooh. Okay, so we now remove the toolbox. So now it's pretty flat. Did some more painting. Used up that entire thing of paint. Sorry, there's an airplane overhead. So, I mean, it's looking pretty good. It's not too bad. The only thing I see it's an issue, I don't know about this wood. I mean, it's not bad, but I'm kind of wondering if I should pull it out, you know, and, you know, just put the plywood in, or if I should leave it as a base. I mean, there's a little bit of a gap here, but that's not, you know, too much of an issue that I see. Like I said, I'm not painting the entire thing. It's not, you know, don't really need to, since we're probably painting another. If I was just gonna leave it, you know, jet black, I would just, you know, I wouldn't mess with, you know, I would probably have painted the entire thing, but given the fact that we're probably gonna paint like a green or something like that, or like a beige, I'm just gonna leave it for now. But got it out. So like I said, this is like, you know, about 12 foot. Not bad. So, you know, I might just leave this. But our next thing is going to be figuring out how we're going to space the flooring, because the issue is this is 5 by 12, and plywood, as far as I know, only comes in a 4 by 8 sheet. So I need to figure out how I'm going to cut up those 3, 4. Well, technically I could do it with 2 sheets, because that'd be the same square footage, but I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do it. I don't know about this board's a little bit funky, but I don't know. I think I'll be able to go ahead. It's gonna span it anyway, you know. I'm gonna drill it down real nice and be good from there. But yeah, we will see. Then I also did buy some sealant to go. I might seal this. I don't know if it's worth it. Probably not. But I'm gonna go ahead and seal the plywood, just because I feel like it'd be a good idea. I don't know. Maybe I'll pull it out. I don't know if it'd be worse or better. Granted, I don't think I bought. You know what? I don't think I actually bought flooring graded plywood. I don't know. We'll see. I'll kind of make a decision on that. But first, I need to go and find out how I'm gonna cut that, just to go and fit this. Let's go in the garage, see what I got here. So there's my horrible looking table saw. Yes, laugh at how bad that table is for my technical bench saw. It looks pretty bad, but it works. But yeah, if we go in here, let me turn the light on. But so here's our sheets we have currently. So I have these 3, this is supposed to be all-purpose plywood. 3 sheets, not super thick, but I guess it's not. It said all-purpose, but it didn't say it was floor rated. It says outdoor, but not floor rated, so I'm kind of hesitant to use this as a as an unsupported flooring. So we'll see. You know, but I'm gonna go ahead and seal this. I do have a sealant I bought. I think it's in here. Let me go ahead and. Okay, yeah, but the sealant. Okay, so yeah, okay, the sealant. I have to get that out of the car. But the sealant is a Thompson. I think it's an all-purpose like sealant for everything. It was pretty cheap. It was like $11 for a giant like 2-gallon thing of it. So, but that's, yeah. So there's the I don't know why I put that on there, I guess support. But I took this out. I feel kind of bad. I should have asked him about it. Could give it back to him, but I can use it. You know, I'll take that bracket off the other end and keep it. But anywho, so that's about as much as we've done today so far. But yeah, I need to devise how I'm going to go ahead and section out each piece of flooring and how long I'm going to have it be. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to do kind of like strips or try to place it in there, but I don't want it to be like a, you know, just kind of like a puzzle. I think I might do strips where it just goes across and fills it out, but we'll go and see. I'll figure out what I'm going to do. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do for flooring. So I have all my sheets here. I have my 3 sheets. I'm glad I brought 3. This is what I'm going to do here. So right here is my mark. So the internal diameter is, well, not diameter, internal width between the members on both sides is 411. So 411, 4 feet down, 4 times 3 is 12. So 3 sheets, good to go. And that should give us all our flooring we need. Then we have about 3 feet, about 3 feet left, which we can do whatever we want with, which I think I'll do on the bottom. So I'm gonna go get my speed square. Gonna go ahead and cut this, and then we can go ahead and lay the flooring and drill and have fun. Probably actually what I'll do before that is actually go ahead and seal the bottoms. I found it actually. There we go. I'm gonna be using this here, which is Thompson Water Seal, which is a clear multi-purpose. This is actually the cheapest seal I found. That wasn't a paint. It was like, I think $11 for, how much is this? I guess 1.6 gallons. So not bad, not bad. I got a separate roller for it. So we'll go and do that. So I'll cut these. I probably won't install them tonight. I got my cool pencil. Got my cool carpenter pencil because I'm a cool kid. Cut these, seal them, and then install them tomorrow morning. And that will conclude for our flooring. And then once we go from there, we can go ahead and start cutting our not floor joist, our these are probably overkill, but I'm gonna use these. Oh, man, I painted myself. Not good. Probably not the best thing. We're just gonna get Rust-Oleum on your arm. I did not know how much I got on there, but basically use these for our walls. So, and like I said, those will go in the interior of the trailer. But first, we're gonna put down the flooring. So let's go ahead and cut these and then seal them. Okay, so after just checking our line with the speedster, you should get one of these. I didn't use these for years. I know my dad did. He has like a small, like little metal one. This has been absolutely great since I got it. It's a pain in the butt to do nice straight lines. Now I will be using one of the pieces over wood over there as a straight edge to line it up, just because it's a long piece of wood. It's gonna be a lot easier using a circular saw with just using a straight edge to follow it and just spacing it out correctly. But yeah, so it shouldn't be too hard. Pretty straight on. And let me grab my handy dandy measuring tape here. The only thing I hate about this is one of those cool ones that auto lock, but it's a pain in the butt because it auto locks. You can't just whip it out. Okay. So, oh my gosh, I'm a mess. Let's put this back here. Oh! Still gone. Okay. Bad video editing. Okay, right on the money. 5'11". Let me fix that. Okay, a little bit dead of center there. I might move it over, but that's. Gosh darn it. Okay, let me put down the camera. So after measuring from the top, which wouldn't make more sense. All right, so we're a little bit right of center, so we're gonna go ahead and cut a little bit to the right of this line, and that should give us exactly 5'11". So let me go and set this up and start cutting. Okay, and so for cutting, we're actually going to go ahead and use our skill saw here. Nice and fast for ultimate danger. This is an Irwin 140 tooth. If I get the package here. Yeah, it's just the 140 tooth, and it's just made for your plywood, OBS, and other floorings. It really wasn't that expensive. It was like $10 for the blade for it. But yeah, just popped it in there. It's got very, very fine little teeth, so we'll go ahead and use that to go ahead and cut our board. Okay, so we have our plywood set up. I just have a 2x4 as a makeshift long cut fence squared up. So I'll go ahead with that and do my cut. And that should be the first board, and then after that we'll do the rest of them. Alright, so I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong, but this plywood blade really seems to suck. Just not one to cut it at all. It warps really easy. I just switched to my standard blade, and there's a little bit of blowout, just a tiny bit, but otherwise it seems to be doing better. But this, I don't know if I'm not tightening or what, but it keeps, you can see right there, it keeps spinning right around the arbor. I'm not sure why, but I keep tightening it down. I don't know, I'll see. But right now, my standard blade is just working a lot better, so I just went with my standard blade.